Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. What do you say we do a pocket dump? Because I need to test the settings on my camera. Why? Because I have a new tabletop, a new to me work surface, something that was given to me locally. And I'm beyond excited, over the moon with it, because it is a solid hardwood table with a stainless steel base. This thing is solid, but it is much taller as well as a lot lighter in color, and therefore I had to make some changes to the settings on my camera as well as the lighting. Nothing is that easy. You can't just swap out a table and just go. So I thought a pocket dump would be in order, and well, let's just get straight into it. Starting off with the watch, I have the Vero Tide Tracker watch with some silicone bands. I will leave a link to the watch as well as the bands down in the description, and everything else that I can think of in this video. Next, I have my Tozo noise canceling earbuds. I love these things. These are always with me, riding in my right hand pocket. Along with that, I have the Crocs torch lighter here I got at the Dollar Tree, and it's time for a new one. I think the fluid's running out, but $1.25, $1.50, whatever it is these days. And that is a Crocs lighter. A new mini fixed blade that I have riding in my fifth pocket, the SE Kenduro, and I love carrying around a little mini fixed blade in my fifth pocket. It's more of a secondary blade than anything. They don't really get used much, but you know, I have it just in case. And just in case, I also have the Leatherman Arc. This is riding around scout style on my belt in the Viper Aid PJ33 sheath. So this is knife number 3. I know that's a bit much, but and this is 2, 3, and this is number 1. I know we're going backwards here, but this is the, wow, that was a fail. I can't even, there we go. This is the Spyderco Para 2. And I'm not a huge fan of Spyderco knives, only because of that lump right there that makes it very difficult to have in your pocket and then try to reach for other things in your pocket. But this knife is slicey. I'm failing on the Spidey flick. Wow, jam. Okay, so I'm going to stop trying to show off. I did replace the pocket clip with a deep carry pocket clip. That is definitely a game changer. So knife number 1, knife number 2, and knife number 3. Does this really count? Because it is a multi-tool and I never actually used the blade on that. And let's see, where are we going from here? We have the Lost Dutchman Big Fin wallet. Hopefully I don't show off any cards. Alright, that is safe. So this is the Lost Dutchman leather Big Fin. This is awesome wallet. It's a little thicker than my normal carry. I like a nice minimalist wallet, but this actually holds quite a bit of stuff. All right, flashlight. We have the Arc Pro, and this is a new flashlight to the channel, and it is an amazing little flashlight. It has a spotlight, a floodlight, a UV light, a laser. There's a UV. There's the flood. There's the spotlight. There's the UV. And on the side here we have the green laser. Awesome little flashlight. And magnetic charging as well as USB Type-C. They did finally listen to their customers and start adding a USB Type-C charging port to their flashlights. Next we have the Lifetime Leather Company notebook. Let's see here. Make sure I don't show off any information. I don't know if you're seeing a theme here, but American made, American made, American made, American made, American made. I'm trying to get more and more American made gear. I did have the Surefire stiletto in my pocket for the longest time, but the light did send out the Arc Pro, so I need to test it. And I'm torn. I love both flashlights, but I don't know. Anyways, moving right along. In my left pocket, I have the recycled firefighter. This is kind of like a pen caddy, I suppose. I have a embassy pen from CountyComm. This is the aluminum one. A snap-on screwdriver. This has the magnet on the end, as well as double-sided. Picked this up at a flea market, as well as a Harbor Freight marker. Another flashlight. This is the Peak Solutions LED flashlight with the added tail switch, American made. And I call this a wedgie bar, but I know I'm going to get some crap about it. I forget what this is. This is, oh God, I can't remember what this is. But I use this as a pry tool, a scraping tool, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. There's a lot of things you can use this for. It's titanium. Found this on CountyComm's website. I do have a plastic one around here as well, but it is mainly for prying and scraping things. So there you have it. That is my EDC for February 2026. And I'm sure I'm going to get some comments that I carry a lot of stuff, but that is par for the course. I'm not ashamed. I love my knives. I have 3 knives, 2 flashlights, probably 3, one on my keychain, a couple pens, but I make no excuses. So anyways, let me know. What do you think down in the comments of the table? What do you think the lighting? Should I make any other changes? Do I need to raise the camera some more? This is about as full on. This is as far away as I can get it right now. I can raise the camera, but I can come closer. Things are getting darker as I get closer. Everything brightens up. Huh. That's curious. Anyways, but as always, I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you are at all inclined to support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Or you can always follow the link to buy me a cup of coffee. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you next time.